Hey guys, JB Gaming HD here, bringing you back to another video. We're going to be playing some more Terraria Xbox One Edition. In the last episode, we kind of got cut off because I had to go and couldn't finish the episode. But we are back for episode 2, and you're wondering why I'm laughing. It's because my dad is sort of interfering with my video. Oh, now I can't get that image out of my head anymore. No. But lad. Alright, so in this episode, going to try and build a house, cause we definitely need a house. So yeah. I also want to get some armor so we have some defense in this playthrough. So yeah. So we have 15 lead ore. Oh jeez. Green slimes everywhere. They're everywhere. Ah! I'm getting bullied by slimes. Please don't kill me. Please don't hurt me. I will poke you. I will poke you. There we go. Alright, so alright, so let's finish killing these slimes and yeah. Alright, so we have managed to kill all the slimes. Now what we need to do is can we cut down? Will this work? Oh no, it doesn't look like it, so let's switch back to the axe and get some of this wood. And then after that, I'm going to sort of find a good spot to build our house. Alright. Okay, switch to this. So how many slimes are spawning? Because I just killed all of their little brothers and cousins and ancestors and siblings and stuff. It's like a family of green slimes. So let's continue chopping down these trees. Hopefully we can get a good amount of wood here. But we only have 63. Now you have 88. Alright, so we have 100 pieces of wood. And there's a blue slime. Go away, blue slime. Go away. No. Oh, man. I know what the title of this video is going to be called. But I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to wait and see when I upload the video. Which is most likely going to be, wait, hold on. Okay, let's go like this, go like this, go like this. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm doing with the D-pad is because if I switch here and I want to use my sword, I can just use the up direction on the D-pad. If I want to use let's say my pickaxe, I would I'd press the left direction on the D-pad, and if I wanted to use my axe, I'd click on the D. Well, not, the down direction on the D-pad, and it just makes it easier for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it makes it a lot easier for me. So let's continue cutting down some wood. So we have 136, 160. I'm gonna try and maybe start we're gonna have to start building the house in this episode, because on the third episode I was going to try and sort of smelt the lead ore that we have here, this beautiful lead ore. So I think I know where I'm gonna go build my house. I think this should be a good area to build it. Let's just flatten out some of this land first. So while I'm doing this, how are you doing, guys? Hopefully you're doing good. I am. I know that for a fact. Oh man. Oh man. Ooh, slime. How many slimes are here? Go away. Go. Go away. Go. Go kill yourselves. Run and keep running into my sword. There we go. We managed to take out the slimes. Yes. Alright, so actually I'm not planning to have my house that big. I think this should be a good sort of type area. Let's actually go here. Alright, so let's go craft ourselves one workbench, couple torches, and couple platforms. Let's craft 20 platforms. There we go. And alright, so we need 20 wood, so we need to go stone mining. Alright, so here's some stone here. Let's mine some of this up. And get the dirt. There we go. Oh. Alright, so I'm kind of too lazy right now, and let's sort of find an easier spot to mine it. Alright, let's start here, because I can see there's some stone here. Okay, so we have managed to get ourselves some stone. 19, 20. Alright, this should be good. It's gonna nerd pull up. Go away! I cannot afford to die right now. Okay, where was I? Okay, let's keep nerd pulling. There we go. So let's put down the crafting table. Let's put it down over here for now. And craft a furnace. There we go. Yes. And here I am saying that in the third episode, well, that's actually next episode, that we are going to be like using the lead bars, but nope. Alright, 5 lead bars. What can we craft? Can we craft a lead sword? Like straight off? Oh wait, no, we need an anvil. Dang it. Alright. This is cool. I don't have any iron. Oh. Oh. Wait, do I have any iron bars on me? Alright, so we're gonna have to go iron mining sometime. Actually, let's... Oh, I just chucked my sword. Okay, let's actually place the torches. Let's put one here, put one here. I'm just gonna put this around because it is starting to get dark. So yeah, we are going to have to put some torches down, because I know in iOS you don't need to use torches or anything, but like in PC and console version, you need like light source, like an equivalent light source. So let's sort of do our house layout. So we're gonna have a floor. Obviously, like, who doesn't have floors in their house? Terraria. Well, like, I know some of you aren't like really OCD with building in Terraria, but I like having stuff like oh man, I'm getting pwned right now. Come at me. Come at me. Come and try and kill me with your copper short sword. Or with my... Yeah, never mind. Alright, so... go like this. And... some wood. Do this quickly because it's already getting dark. And I can hear the music. Great. So let's sort of... build a little shack. Zombie, get away from me! Alright. Go like this. Go like this. Alright, so we have built our first quote-unquote house. There's a bunch of zombies everywhere, and I have no idea how I'm supposed to do anything. Hold on, let me put the torches up here, corners. And zombies actually hurt a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Alright. Let's go like this. Go like this. Switch to the sword. What happened to? Oh yeah, I chucked it away. Come on, beat the zombie. Come on. Ow. Okay. All right. So as you can see, we are getting bullied by a bunch of zombies. If we got a zombie arm from that. Ow. I'm gonna die. No. Hopefully, we spawn relevantly close to the house. Where's the house? I don't remember where the house is. Okay, yeah, the house is over here. Go away, bunny. Oh no, there's a demon eye. Ah! Go away. Go away! Ah! I am heavily terrified right now. I don't know what to do. There's a demon eye trying to kill me right now. And there's like zombies keep spawning. So there's 2 demon eyes, 3 zombies, 4 zombies, and 1 human. And 1 little shack that's gonna protect me forever. Probably isn't, but like, I just wish I had the death sickle right now. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I have an idea. Why can't I just poke a little hole here and then just stick my sword through it? Does this work? Or I could just go like this. Would this work? Yes, it does. It does. And they can't get me. Haha, you can't get me. And I could do this all day. And you can't kill me. Yay. But probably if I kill them, there's gonna be more zombies that are gonna come and kill me. Finish off this last zombie. Wait for these demon eyes to come by. And kill them. And the bad thing is that in console version and PC version, the nights, they last longer. But that's a good thing and a bad thing, cause when we get to hard mode, which is not going to be anytime soon. When we do get to hard mode, I just forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, when we get to hard mode and we do the pumpkin moon, I don't even know if the pumpkin moon's in console version. I don't know, but if it is, like the night lasts longer, so like you could finish the pumpkin moon and get to wave 15, get all the trophies, get all the rare drops, like Bat Scepter, Horseman's Blade, Spooky Twig, Black Fairy Dust, all that good stuff. And let's quickly gather this, go in here, and block it off. Yes, we did it successfully. And I just choked on my own spit almost. Let's go over here. This. Put that down there. And get this. Put this down here. There we go. Brilliant. Now we can craft ourselves a hammer, wooden hammer, and some wooden walls. Done. Alright, so let's get our wooden walls. The night's almost over. Yes. Alright, this is like the most noobish shack I've ever built in all of Terraria. Don't judge me if I'm saying Terraria or Terraria wrong. I'm pretty sure it's Terraria, but sometimes I get in the habit of saying Terraria. But I do apologize if I am pronouncing it wrong, and you guys can correct me, but just don't shout out at me in the comments like, Cherry Gaming HD, you're not doing it right. It has to be this way. You have to say Terraria, and they have all the accents and all of like the the upside down letters and all that crazy stuff. Yeah, I don't need that. I'm not that intense with my pronunciation of games. This is just a hobby. But anyways, when are these demonized? When is the night over? Come on. That's all I want, just the night to finish. I know it's almost over, but oh, my recording is gonna finish soon. Oh no. But I will record more tomorrow, obviously. But I do have school, so yeah, for like those of you who watch, I'm not that old, but if you do think I'm gonna like upload early in the morning, I can't, because most of the time my parents are sleeping, and I have to wake up early to for school. And I will record at around after 3:35 tomorrow. Well, that's gonna be Eastern time, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not too sure about that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Eastern time. Alright, so is the night almost over? Is it? Alright, let's actually take a look at what we can craft. Not a whole lot. Wow. Brilliant. Wait, what? What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, I have no idea what. Let's go. Yes, we survived our first night. Yeah! Woo! Whoop, 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 whoop. Yay! And all the zombies and all the monsters. Yay! They're all leaving me alone. Now we can finally craft ourselves what we all want to craft. A door. Cricket, 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 cricket. I'm sorry with my very bad commentating skills. Alright, let's go like that. Sadly, this is going to be the end of today's episode, but if you did like this episode, be sure to leave a like, and if you like my work, be sure to subscribe and join the Jibby Army. Yes, Jibby Army for the win. Shout out to Meepinator for the win. Here's a little message for you. Xbox and PS4 are the same. So yeah. This is Jibby Gaming signing off for today, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace!